Here's the secret to speaking English that no one ever told you. Hello everyone, and welcome to Speak English with Leo. Every day, I meet people who want to speak English better. They think the best way to improve is to speak more and more. This seems logical, right? Have you heard the saying, practice makes perfect? But what if I told you that speaking more might not be the answer? What if speaking more is actually holding you back? In this video, I'll show you the real key to becoming a better English speaker. Are you ready to hear it? Let's start. In today's video, I will tell you the real key to becoming a better English speaker. Many English learners think they need to practice speaking as much as possible. They take English courses. They find language exchange partners. They try to speak all the time. While these activities can be helpful in some ways, they are not the best way to improve your speaking skills. Now, let's talk about how learning a language really works. To understand why more speaking isn't the best answer, we need to look at how we learned our first language. As children, how do we learn to speak? We start by listening. We listen for many months, even years. We hear the sounds, rhythms, and patterns of our language long before we speak our first word. This is called the absorption period. This period is very important. During this time, our brains work hard. We listen and absorb the language around us. We build a strong foundation of understanding. This helps us speak naturally and fluently later. The same principle applies to learning a second language like English. By focusing on listening, we give our brain important information. This helps us build a solid understanding of English. Without this foundation, speaking can be difficult. So, why is listening so important? Let's talk about how listening helps improve your speaking skills. First, listening helps expand your vocabulary. When you listen to native speakers, you hear many words and phrases. You learn new vocabulary in context. This is much better than just memorizing lists of words. You pick up idiomatic expressions and colloquialisms. These are phrases you might not find in a textbook. Next, listening helps with pronunciation. By listening to native speakers, you learn the correct pronunciation of words. You start to hear subtle differences in sounds that might not exist in your native language. Over time, this will naturally improve your pronunciation. Listening also helps with intonation and rhythm. English has a unique rhythm and melody. This can be hard for non-native speakers. But by listening carefully, you start to pick up these patterns. This makes your speech sound more natural. You learn grammar rules in school, but hearing how native speakers use these rules in real conversations is more valuable. You start to understand grammar intuitively, without just memorizing rules. Listening also helps you understand culture. Language and culture are connected. By listening to native speakers, you learn about cultural norms, humor, and social cues. These are essential for effective conversation. Finally, listening improves your overall comprehension of English. The more you listen, the better you understand spoken English. This is crucial for maintaining fluent conversations. You need to understand your conversation partner to respond properly. Now let's talk about why speaking too much can be a problem. If you focus only on speaking, you might hurt your progress. Speaking more can lead to reinforcing mistakes. Without a solid foundation, you might repeat incorrect patterns. Your pronunciation and grammar might suffer if you don't get feedback. Practice doesn't make perfect if the practice is imperfect. These mistakes can be hard to unlearn later. If you don't allow yourself to listen more, you miss out on new vocabulary and expressions. You also risk becoming a chatterbox. This is someone who talks too much without listening. In many cultures, being a chatterbox is seen as rude. It can put people off. Without enough listening practice, your speaking lacks depth and nuance. You might struggle with complex or subtle communication. Now let's talk about balancing listening and speaking. I'm not saying you should never speak. Conversation is a two-way street. Speaking is important, but finding the right balance is key. Here's how to do that. Prioritize listening. Make an effort to listen more than you speak. In conversations, focus on understanding the other person. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Practice active listening. This means concentrating on what's being said, asking questions, and giving feedback. Show that you're engaged. Try the shadowing technique. This is where you repeat what a native speaker says. You can do this with podcasts or videos. Listen, then repeat what you hear. This helps with pronunciation and intonation. You practice speaking while focusing on listening. Practice reflective speaking. After listening, summarize or paraphrase what was said. This ensures you understand correctly. It also gives you a chance to practice speaking based on what you heard. When you do speak, create thoughtful responses. Take a moment to collect your thoughts. It's better to speak less, but with meaning, than to fill the air with chatter. Let's explore practical ways to improve your listening skills. Listen to English language podcasts that interest you. These don't have to be about learning English. If you like sports, find sports podcasts. If you like personal development, find podcasts on that. Start with clear speakers. Then move to more challenging content. Find content you can understand 60 to 80%. Let your brain figure out the rest. TV shows and movies can be useful. Watch them in English. Start with subtitles in your language. Then switch to English subtitles. Eventually, try watching without subtitles. Your goal is to understand without reading. Audiobooks are excellent. Listen to those narrated by native speakers. This exposes you to vocabulary and narrative styles. Watch or listen to English news. News presenters have clear pronunciation and use a wide vocabulary. Listen to English music and try to understand the lyrics. Singers might slur words, but it's fun and helps with connected speech. Find conversation partners. When practicing with them, listen more than you speak. Ask questions and show interest. Try transcription practice. Listen to short audio clips and write what you hear. This improves listening comprehension. Expose yourself to diverse accents. This helps you understand many types of English speakers. In conclusion, the path to better English speaking is through better listening. By immersing yourself in the language, you improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, and cultural understanding. Remember, Conversation is a two-way street. By becoming a better listener, you improve your listening skills and become a more engaging conversation partner. You avoid becoming a chatterbox and develop meaningful communication. Next time you're tempted to just speak, ask yourself, have I done enough listening today? Your journey to fluent, natural English begins with your ears, not your mouth. Happy listening, and watch your speaking skills soar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more conversation-focused learning tips. In the comments, share how you are improving your listening skills. And remember, in your next English conversation, challenge yourself to listen more than you speak. See you in the next video.